Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how to make a letter. Actually, the final stage of making a letter, molding a letter. So in the previous video, I am giving a link above. You can see the initial stages of molding a letter. How to mold the channelium according to the cutted CNC acrylic shape. So in this video we will see how to adhere the acrylic with the channelium, how to fix the CNC cutted acrylic, the plastic material, with the aluminum channel. You can see in the video the chloroform. Chloroform is the main substance which is joining the two material, and as I shown before, there is a powder which is obtained from the acrylic itself. So this is how we fix the channelium, tighten the channelium to the CNC cutted acrylic. First we will with the help of nail, and you can see a bud with so much holes. The hole diameter and the nail diameter is similar, so we will tighten the structure, the aluminum channel with the acrylic by using this method. You can see if the holes is not coming, we are putting a small pieces of forex. So like this we will tighten the entire object, the entire acrylic to the surface of the aluminum channel. So you can see in the aluminum there are two substances. One is a nylon strip which is coming in contact with the acrylic. So this is where the actual process is occurring. The acrylic and the nylon strip both are plastic actually, and there is a sponge black color which is used for fixing the 10 mm forex or any plywood material or any surface with the base of the letter. Now here we are putting the powder on the contact area of acrylic and the channelium. You can see a nylon strip which is plastic and acrylic. The both point of contact of two material, we are putting acrylic powder which is obtained from the same acrylic itself. We are grinding the acrylic and making powder, and we will put a line between these two material. So when we melt that line by the use of chloroform, the two objects will be converting into one plastic material. The process is this powder will melt in chloroform. When we put chloroform, this is one of the industrial application of chloroform. It melts the plastic. So we are making it powder for ease of application, and when it is made in powder, it melts faster. So when we apply chloroform, this powder melts and it joins the plastic, the top portion which is acrylic, and along with the nylon strip of the channelium. In this way both of the two objects melts and get together as a combined one object. With the help of a brush, we will uniformly distribute the powder all around the borders of the letters. Here you can see we are applying chloroform with the help of a syringe and needle. So we have initially taken the chloroform in a syringe, and with utmost care we are distributing that chloroform across the powdered line. So you can see after the chloroform is applied on the powder, it gets melted. I think it's clearly visible. And don't worry, the excess amount of chloroform will be evaporated instantly. So even though if it's come to the acrylic top portion, the illumination area will not be affected. We are using the same powder so that when we put light there will be no difference. Actually it is not visible that this process is carried out inside. So for that we are using the same color, same powder. The same material which is used in the top is made into powder.